Hello everybody, it's Chris from Gunpla Network, and it's time for your Gunpla Network news for June 7th, 2018. Starting right now, all of our members currently living in the USA or Canada have a permanent 10% discount at CanadianGundam.com. You simply have to use the following coupon code, Gunpla Network, all caps. There is no end date and can be used many times per person. This week we have a long list of kits, so let's get right to it. We have the HG1144 GM Guard Custom. This will be released July 2018 at a price of 1944 yen. I really love the giant shield this guy carries, and the blue and white is a very nice color scheme. Next up, we have an HGUC1144 RX160 Byarlant. This will be released July 2018 with a price of 2808 yen. Next up, we have an HGUC1144 Phenex Destroy Mode Narrative version. This will be released June 23rd, 2018 with a price of 2800 yen. We have the RG1144 Sazabi. This is a kit that everybody's been looking for, and this is one great looking RG kit. We will be getting this kit in August of 2018 with a price of 4860 yen. Next up is a personal favorite of mine. We have the Perfect Grade 160 RX78-3 G3 Extra Finish. This will be released June 16th with a price of 25,920 yen. Next, we have the RE1100 Vigna Gina. This is a kit everybody's been waiting for, and it looks fantastic. This will be released, or has been released, in June of 2018 with a price of 3456 yen. From Iron-Blooded Orphans, we have the HG1144 Graze Ritter McGillis Forces. This will be released September of 2018 for 1296 yen. Next, we have another P Bondi from Iron-Blooded Orphans. We have the HG1144 Graze Carda Corpse. This will be released September of 2018, also for a price of 1296 yen. And lastly, we have the P Bondi MG1100 Polypod Ball. This will be released August of 2018 with a price of 3240 yen. Now it's time for your Gunpla Network Top 5 Builds of the Week. In 5th place, we have Joseph M. Mims and his custom Reborn 1100 Hama Hama. In 4th place, we have Aaron Ickton and his custom MG Ultron. In 3rd place, we have Nacha T. Kamkam and his Infinity Dimension Sazabi version Ka. In second place, we have our own Miguel Armando Esplodon and his Graze Commando. And in first place, we have Carlo Hakim Tarantini and his Sazabi Ares. And now it's time for your Gunpla Network updates. On gunplanetwork.com, Scott Tiller has written an article called Not Exactly a New Type 008 Tears of a Clown. Also on gunplanetwork.com, we have an article by Mark entitled Build Fighter Journal Entry 2 The Burning Path. On YouTube, we have the Late Night Gunpla Show Episode 5 with our own Harry Dodds, and he does an interview review of the HG-1144 Gira Zulu. Also on YouTube.com, we have a first look at the RG-1144 Mark II AEUG. Also on YouTube.com, we have a review of the RG-1144 Mark II AEUG. Also on YouTube.com, we have a first look at the MG-100 XX Custom Paint. Okay, that's it for the Gunpla Network news updates for June 7th, 2018. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube videos, and have fun building Gunpla.